awake.
Bird.
Yeah. Thanks.
A friend is here. Should we go on a walk? Let's go.
Hi! Oh my goodness! I was just like looking for a spot to go walking. I didn't even know you guys were right here.
We are here. This is
Hi.
us. This is Madison. She works on the farm. She's the flower queen. And her dogs, Jenny and Chancho. I don't like to show the floor because it's so dirty.
D&D stuff.
What is the
Character sheets. Dungeons and Dragons. Here you go. The ultimate role-playing experience.
And we're making our
You're probably
characters.
right, actually.
I'm an elf monk 3.
Why don't we just play World of Warcraft on Mondays? Classic's coming out soon, and then it's gonna be great.
It's okay, you don't need lots of charisma.
3. That's literally the
Total of
lowest
3?
roll, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Reroll.
It's statistically impossible.
I would let you re-roll that 3 and do a new one. Having a score under 6 is not fair.
Okay.
Because then you have like a -4 to your ability.
13?
So yeah, re-roll the 3 and see if you can get a higher number. Great.
15.
What? I don't know if I want to play this anymore.
Check out this guy that Baron just found. Tom McElroy, Wild Survival. He's like a real life survivalist bushcraft dude. Super cool. He's gonna eat a mouse.
In order to clean this animal, really the big thing is you want to remove the skin and you want to remove the guts. Going around 1 layer per leaf. Sticks through his abdomen area just so he doesn't flip over in the morning, so I'm excited for that.
Cool. The wind keeps blowing the smoke back into the Scamp.
Yeah, we need to think about getting a windproof topper.
Yeah, let's open the door.
Honestly, I've never experienced this much smoke coming in.
Yeah, same. Even that one stormy, windy night.
It must just be like the angle that it's...
Oh! Okay, I made a little bit more cacao for us because it's so freaking good. What would you like in your cacao?
Turmeric. What is that stuff called?
We've got lion's mane.
For sure, a lion's mane.
Golden milk.
Yeah, that.
Is it good? Have you tried it in
Yeah,
cacao?
it's delicious. It's like a buttery milk kind of.
And I already put Dandy Blend in it, just like this morning. Golden milk. This is really good, even just with water. I want one of these. Cheers. Cacao!
Oh wow, that's delicious. Oh, that's gonna go for a minute.
Baron just took a cool picture of me in the smoky Scamp. Here is the before and after. Check out the final image on Instagram if you want. I'm getting hungry for dinner. Today I didn't really eat much. Bananas and nuts and...
Had like a greens drink, some nuts, and part of a banana.
And the cacao.
Oh, we had a Lara bar too.
Yeah, that's right. But tonight I'm gonna make some bone broth ramen. This is bone broth made by our good friend Jill. Lamb and vegetables.
Wow, so Camp could eat it.
Yeah. I like these healthier ramen options.
Does anyone know what's wrong with traditional ramen?
Because we have some of it too, because it is so good. It's just so easy to make, and we soup it up really nice with really healthy foods.
But I'm curious if it's just so bad that it offsets that.
Yeah, no MSGs, whereas the other one does, and this is vegan. Let's just find out right now.
Is ramen bad? Tertiary butyl hydroquinone, TBHQ, a preservative that is petroleum industry product. Oh, so it's made from like actual oil, like dead dinosaurs type of oil.
Okay, so I'm just gonna make this. This is supposedly a little better. This has like a quarter more sodium. It's got a particular chemical in it. Whatever. We make them
MSG.
healthy. Nice to have in the winter when we don't have the option to cook outside. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. We are going to be doing a Thanksgiving live stream. Kind of debated whether or not we should do it on Thanksgiving, but it seemed like there was a pretty good amount of people who'd be interested. We're going to be talking about rigs, different RVs, vans, trailers, things we've noticed. Can't. If you're trying to get into this nomadic lifestyle and you have specific questions, leave them in the comments below and we will shout out some of our favorites. If you can't watch the live stream or be part of it on Thanksgiving, totally understand. We're going to be publishing the live stream so you can watch it at any time after.
Well said.
Thanks.
That's everything that I would have said.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.